Namaskar and welcome back to LabtoLadle, where we turn everyday ingredients into something truly special. In today's recipe, I'm sharing a melt in mouth veg kabab, a hidden gem from Bengali cuisine. And trust me, this is not your regular veg kebab. This Bengali delicacy is made from something most people overlook, that is, banana blossom. Known as Kele ka Phool in Hindi, and we Bengalis call it as mocha. This humble ingredient can transform into absolutely delicious melt in mouth kebabs that I am sure you haven't experienced before. But before we cook, let's start with the most important step of cleaning the banana blossom. Banana blossom might look intimidating at first, but trust me, once you get the hang of it, it's quite therapeutic. Start by oiling your palms before peeling the banana blossom. This is highly recommended to prevent the sticky, dark colored sap from staining your hands. Now, start by removing the outer deep purple petals, one layer at a time. Inside, you will find small florets, and these are what we will be using. Preparing banana flour for cooking is a bit like unwrapping a present, but it's all worth the effort. It's so nutritious and packed with so many health benefits. It's highly rich in fiber, antioxidants, and minerals like iron, calcium, magnesium, potassium, and so on. Now we have to clean the florets. Each floret has a transparent plastic like petal and a hard stick like stigma which resembles like a matchstick. These parts don't soften while cooking, so we need to remove them very carefully. Let's have a look one more time. Start by removing the outer deep purple petals, one layer at a time. Inside, you will find small florets. These are what we are using for making kebabs. Now, each floret has to be cleaned. There is a plastic transparent like petal and a hard stick like stigma which needs to be removed. These parts are not edible, they do not soften while cooking, so we have to remove them very carefully. And honestly, there is no shortcut for this process. And it's oddly calming until you realize how many more are left. As you will reach the inner layers, you will find the florets becoming more tender. At this point, you should know you have achieved the toughest part of the recipe. No need to peel it further, and you can use it as it is. As soon as you finish cleaning, immediately soak the florets in water with a little turmeric and salt. This will prevent discoloration and removes any bitterness. Let it soak for a few hours and then boil it with a pinch of salt and turmeric until soft. After boiling, drain the water completely and squeeze out any excess moisture and grind it into a fine paste. Similarly, grind overnight soaked chana dal. You will also need one large onion paste and some ginger paste. Now it's the time to assemble all the ingredients in a bowl. Add in the ground banana blossom, ground chana dal, ginger paste, onion paste. Make sure to squeeze out all the water from the onion paste. Add in some salt to taste, a dash of sugar, little bit of red chili powder as per your tolerance, some garam masala, jeera powder, and then mix them very well. Now comes the fun part. In a pan, heat some oil or ghee and shallow fry the kebabs on a medium heat. Cook until they turn golden brown and crisp on the outside. I can't explain, but the aroma at this stage is just irresistible. And once they are golden brown from both the sides, serve this hot, melt in mouth banana blossom kababs with kashundi, green chutney, or even as a tea time snack. And let me know in the comments, have you ever tried cooking with banana blossom before? Until next time, happy cooking!